Welcome back, viewers. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of emotional intelligence and explore how it impacts every aspect of our lives. So grab a pen and paper and let's embark on this journey of self-discovery together. What is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence, often referred to as EK, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our emotions and the emotions of others. It's not just about being in touch with your feelings. It's about using them intelligently to navigate through life's ups and downs. Components of emotional intelligence. There are 5 essential components of emotional intelligence. 1. Self-awareness. This is the foundation of EQ. It involves recognizing our emotions, understanding why we feel a certain way, and being honest with ourselves. 2. Self-regulation. EQ helps us control our impulses and reactions. It's about staying calm under pressure, managing stress, and avoiding emotional outbursts. 3. Motivation. Emotionally intelligent individuals are driven by internal motivation. They set goals, stay committed, and bounce back from setbacks. 4. Empathy. Understanding the feelings of others is crucial. Empathy allows us to connect with people on a deeper level and build stronger relationships. 5. Social skills. Effective communication, teamwork, and conflict resolution fall under the umbrella of social skills. Developing these skills enhances our interactions with others. The impact of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence plays a significant role in our personal and professional lives. Studies have shown that individuals with higher EQ tend to have better mental health, improved leadership qualities, and enhanced decision-making abilities, enhancing emotional intelligence. Now you might be wondering, how can I develop my emotional intelligence? Fear not. Here are some practical tips to get you started. 1. Practice self-reflection. Take a few minutes each day to check in with yourself. Identify your emotions and explore the reasons behind them. 2. Mindfulness and meditation. Engaging in mindfulness exercises and meditation can help you stay present and calm, fostering self-awareness and self-regulation. 3. Empathize with others. Put yourself in other people's shoes and try to understand their emotions and perspectives. Listen actively and show genuine concern. 4. Manage stress. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as exercise, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. 5. Seek feedback. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from friends, family, or colleagues. Constructive criticism can be a valuable tool for growth. The ripple effect of emotional intelligence. As we develop our emotional intelligence, we create a positive ripple effect in our surroundings. Improved relationships, better teamwork, and a harmonious environment become the norm. In conclusion, emotional intelligence is the key to understanding ourselves and others on a deeper level. By nurturing our EQ, we unlock a world of personal growth and meaningful connections. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of emotional intelligence. Remember, it's never too late to start developing your EQ. So embrace your emotions and embark on a journey towards a more fulfilling and successful life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, stay emotionally intelligent and take care.